Robert Karlsson, CEO of Shelton Petroleum, who today moves their listing from NGM to NASDAQ OMX main market in Stockholm. Robert, why is Shelton Petroleum moving its listing to NASDAQ OMX main market today, and why now?
Well, I believe it's a natural step for us to take right now. We've taken the company from pure exploration into production, which means that we have drilled wells, we've found oil, we've started to lift oil, and we've sold oil. So we have proof of concept. And as a consequence, we've also created a profit and loss statement actually worth looking at. We now record revenue and healthy profits, and so it's a natural step for us to take right now. Plus, we have a presence that we've created in both Ukraine and Russia, and from this presence, we are planning to continue to expand our company, both in terms of partnerships and acquisitions. And in this context, I hope that the listing at NASDAQ OMX will be very useful to us.
And Robert, can you give us a brief overview of Shelton Petroleum's core business and tell us a little bit about within what areas and what regions do you foresee growth?
Well, Shelton Petroleum is an oil and gas company. We do both exploration and production of oil and gas. We are now present on two markets, Russia and Ukraine. Russia is the world's largest producer of hydrocarbons, so I think that speaks for itself. Ukraine is a bit less known, but it has a long tradition of working within oil and gas, and it also has an important role to play within energy. There are a lot of resources down there that have not yet been explored, so we're very much looking forward to continuing working on these markets.
And can you tell us something about your projections about how the oil price and the gas price will develop in the near future?
Well, I think in the short term, it's always very difficult to forecast what the oil price will be. But if you look at the longer term, it's very obvious that we will have a continuing positive trend in the oil price. If you look at what's happening in China, in the economies of China and India, you look at the demographic changes that are taking place all over the world, I think that in summary makes it obvious that the oil price in the long term will continue to rise.
And finally, Robert, what type of company will Shelton Petroleum be 5 years from now?
Well, what we hope to do is to continue to develop the company, to grow the company, and to grow our margins. So very much looking forward to improving the financials and also to continue to expand our license portfolio. We have a presence now in Ukraine and Russia, and from this platform we are always looking at taking on new partnership, new licenses, and we have the day-to-day work which we're now performing, but we're also hoping to find that company maker out there, that company maker license in drilling.
Thank you very much, Robert, and congratulations on today's listing.
Thank you very much.